In this video, I will introduce how to make Japanese soul food, onigiri, rice balls. They are perfect for picnics, as a quick snack during work breaks, or even to eat while driving. They are also great for kids' lunches. Let's start by making onigiri with tuna flakes. When making onigiri, use finely shaped tuna flakes like these. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. It may look like there isn't enough soy sauce, but it will blend in as you mix. Ideally, onigiri should be made with Japanese rice, but you can also use California sushi rice. Rinse the rice twice and use slightly less water than the recommended cup measurement to cook it firmer. I put the quail egg inside the rice. Cover the egg with rice. The right amount for an onigiri is about 1 bowl of rice. Wet your hands and sprinkle them with salt. Then shape the rice into a ball, or use plastic wrap to do it. Due to concerns about salmonella, using plastic wrap has become more common. Use the base of your thumb to apply light pressure. Like sushi, gently shape the rice without applying too much force. Use freshly cooked rice, but rice warmed up in the microwave also works fine. Brush sesame oil on the surface of the onigiri. After coating the surface with tuna flakes, seasoned in soy sauce, it's ready to enjoy. You can savor the umami flavor. Let's make tuna onigiri. It's important to drain the liquid from the canned tuna thoroughly. Add mayonnaise and black pepper to the tuna. Adding corn is also delicious. Wet the rice bowl with the water and place 2 cups of rice into the bowl. Add dashi powder to the rice and mix well. Use the base of your thumb to apply light pressure. I cut the nori into eighths, but you can choose the size you prefer. Place the nori with the shiny side facing down. You can place a piece of aluminum foil between the onigiri and the nori, or keep the nori in a separate bag to enjoy crispy nori. Wrap the onigiri after it has cooled down. If the kombu is wet, wipe off the moisture. If available, use seasoned kombu from an Asian store. Mix yellow sugar, soy sauce, and mirin. Heat a frying pan over medium-low heat. Add sesame oil and stir-fry the kombu. I'm reusing kombu after making dashi. For how to boil dashi kombu, please see the how to make dashi short video. Once the kombu has absorbed the oil, add the mixed seasonings. When the seasonings are almost gone, turn off the heat and sprinkle sesame seeds. For the other onigiri, I added edamame. Please see the short video for how to cook the edamame. This time, I've used sushi ginger and tenkatsu. This combination is really delicious. You could use fried red onions instead of tempura bits. Cut the sushi ginger into thin strips. Let's make tenkatsu. Add cake flour to cold water from the refrigerator. Stir it just a few times, leaving it lumpy. Add a few drops of rice vinegar. Pour oil into the fry pan to a height of ½ inch. Heat over medium-low heat, and after 2 to 3 minutes, drop a small amount of butter to taste. If the butter rises to the surface quickly, dip the tip of a fork into the butter and drop it into the frying pan. When the butter turns light brown, use a skimmer spoon to scoop out the tenkatsu and place them on a paper towel. Tenkatsu are the bits that float to the surface when frying tempura. Add dashi powder to the rice and mix well. Tenkatsu, sushi ginger, couple of weeks ago, I went blueberry picking with my friend. We enjoyed eating onigiri during the blueberry picking.